Traders, Anthony here looking at the pound dollar. Righto, we've got this trend on the 4H. In fact, there's a couple of things about this. If I pull a diagonal through here, right, we've got this higher low here. Higher low, higher high. So we've got this break bullish. Right? We could, in fact, do something like that, give or take high and low over here. But it's trending up at this point here, after this break here. So you want to be a little bit careful. Now, the same thing happened back over here. It started trending up, as you can see there. Right, we had that. So, I want to get involved with this. This is a little bit precarious. Look, there's a couple of things worth mentioning here. We've got this weekly open. I see this dotted line or this dashed line. That's telling us that we could possibly be setting up for this is a candle. And this weekly open, have a look at that move here. Well, just above, right? So I'm just looking ahead. But potential bearish red, weekly candle here. And Monday, Tuesday, it takes out buy-side liquidity, and then we get our red candle for the week. So if that's the weekly open and we see the spike up, it's rejecting under this here, trading down now and coming back to retest the weekly open. If it holds, we could be in for quite a nice outcome. So that's one idea. I do like that. So we've got this 4-hour balance area up in here, and then look at this move. Right? That's convincing. In other words, an imbalance, bearish imbalance, break out of this balance area, retraces back. See how it's resolved this imbalance here? So I quite like what I'm seeing on the chart in that respect. It's not, look, you weigh up the pros and cons, and this is leaning south in my opinion. But look, the probability factor is, the odds are okay. I'm building my argument basically to short it, but the question is where, I think if we head into the London Open today and we see this roll over here and it sets up lower highs, lower lows on like a 3-minute chart south, that could really convince me to get involved with this. That's that. Now let's have a look at this on the daily. Definitely under pressure. There's no doubt about it, but my question is, how far back does this retrace? So when you're looking for an entry point, here's the thing, right? On the daily, see this distribution level, this green candle on the daily? This is the last green candle prior to these red candles. There's room for this, definitely room for this to, do that. And then maybe possibly we get, who knows? There's definitely room for this to move back. Look, it's in a downtrend without a doubt, but don't underestimate. Let's have a look at this. Look at this. Daily time frame. We'll grab that. I'm just going to measure this low to high. Low to high, okay, measured move. Low to high, measured move. Low to high, measured move. Low to high, okay. So don't underestimate how far this thing can pull back. That's what I'm saying. Now I want to get involved short. Getting involved down here is going to be, there's more risk involved basically. And look, here's the thing. So if you were to, you want to go short, stop loss above this previous daily high, for example. The question is, do we get a fill back up here? Possibly, but maybe not. Yes or no? And, I want to get involved with this. I don't want to miss the opportunity. Not going to FOMO in, but you just got to weigh up, where's your entry point going to be? On the fib, okay, on the daily time frame, see the 61.8 to 786? This is my sell zone on the daily time frame. Yeah, look, even from here. Okay, here's the thing. Let's now go down to the 4-hour. See this 4-hour distribution that I've pulled up here? Do we do that? That's a wide stop. Let's go down to the 4H. Let's have a look at this I'll take out that fib. By the way, guys, make sure you click the link below. Check out my Telegram, Fib Retrace, okay, and website and what have you. Okay, from the 4-hour, we've got this balance area on the 4-hour. Let's just take it from the high of that down. Now, if you're trading this purely from the 4-hour time frame, here's an entry point. It's already tapped up into it more or less. So that would have been an entry on this pullback here. So if you think you're going to miss out, then we go market, okay, that's reasonable in terms of the stop loss range and potential risk reward. Go for, where are we, this thing, if that's an entry, go for 1-to-1 risk reward. Yeah, I'll probably take it a little earlier. So that would be my T1, and I would like to take most of my position off at that point, something like that. So that's one plan of attack. The thing with this though is, as I mentioned, does this look for liquidity further above and we get taken out? Okay, that's possible. So you want to think about your position size. Don't go in too big, and stop loss above this previous high of this balance area, 4-hour time frame, and that could be a thing. Now, to take it out to the daily, give it a bit more room to breathe. Okay, so let's just do that. See, then there's a wider stop. And we don't know if this is going to roll over here or pull back. So, you do that. You could go in with the same position size here. Why not? Okay, so if this is risking $100 on your account, right, then that's risking $100 on your account. I hope that makes sense. Position size, percentage of your account. Anyway, guys, look, that's an idea. You'd have to make up your mind whether you want to take the risk and go for a 4-hour, more a shallow, less range here for your stop loss, or spread it out a little bit further. Okay, that's my take on the pound dollar, and I'm thinking short, but yeah, be careful. There's risk involved. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.